Greetings, nobles. Iron Knight here with the Security Knights. Thanks for tuning into our channel. You're going to be glad you did. So, let's get this started. I used to play baseball in college. And one of the most frustrating feelings was sitting while my team was struggling. There was always this drive, this motivation that when we were down, if I could get out there, I could make an impact. I could turn this thing around and we could pull out a win. Well, turns out when I turned on the news this week and saw that hackers brought down the entire pipeline, the Colonial, which you've probably all been reading about in the news, I had flashbacks to baseball. If I was part of that security team, was there anything I could have done that could have stopped it? Now, some of you, specifically in our case, our producer, Susie, are really into conspiracy theories and think that the pipeline was crushed on purpose by the government for some reason or who knows. But that's not what we're all about in this show. Rather, we're going to be using this pipeline attack and this hack on the pipeline as an example of why you should consider a new career in cybersecurity. So you have to ask yourself, are you bored with your current job, unhappy at work, or just ready for a change? All valid questions you should be asking yourself. And today's episode is for you. So let's not waste time. Let's get right down to the top 5 reasons you should be considering a career change into cybersecurity. Bringing in number 5, you'll always be on the cutting edge of anything new in tech. If there was an exploit in the wild, you'll be one of the first that'll know about it. Take, for example, this oil pipeline. We knew about it pretty much right as it was happening or right after. At least somebody in the world knew and was telling everybody else in security about it. So, just so you know, this oil pipeline is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many, many examples of things getting stolen or hacked that don't get national coverage like this did. For example, check out this article. The link's in the description if you want to read more about it. It's a good read. I recommend it to everyone. At number 4, your outlook on the world will change completely. You'll no longer log into a website and just see it for the content that it is. You'll see potential breaches and areas of weakness and different ways you can go about exploiting that website. Amazon is no longer just a spot for you to go buy and purchase things. It's a whole new world that'll open your eyes to when you move into cybersecurity. You'll also start to become suspicious and paranoid.
Hi, Lane.
Huh?
How was your date?
They're out there, Dad. They're after me.
And this will make you smart and cautious. The more you know, the better you are to protect yourself. You'll understand that there's no true thing is a secure system. Anything and everything can be hacked if you have the time and the material to do it. You'll also realize that companies need you, and they need the protection that you're going to provide in this career. And let's be honest, who doesn't like to feel needed? Coming in at number 3, I just got 2 simple words for you. That's right. Spot 3, 2 words. Job security. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing industries, and there's practically zero unemployment. Speaking for myself and other people that I work with on a day-to-day basis, we get, on average, 10 to 20 emails or phone calls a month from headhunters and companies asking if I want to come work for them. Yes, you've heard me correctly. I said 10 to 20 emails or phone calls a month. And we don't even have to go hunting for these jobs. People are hunting us and coming after us, which is kind of nice to not ever have to go hunt for a job. Everyone in this world is desperate for cybersecurity specialists. Now, I know this is kind of sad to say, but when a big hack happens, and gets national news coverage like this pipeline, I get a little bit excited. Not because someone was hacked. That's obviously pretty sad, and I feel bad for everybody. But because my inbox is about to blow up with offers. It's funny when a big hack happens, how many companies reevaluate their security and their security needs, and all of a sudden, there's another hiring spree going. At number 2, get ready to feel warm and fuzzy. Because at number 2, we're going all about the people. That's right, the people. Aww. If you're fortunate enough to land a job in cybersecurity, it'll be unlike any job you've ever had in the past. And believe me, I've worked in around the block a time or two. Worked in construction, dive boats, baseball, software development, and a few others along the way. And I gotta say, since I've been in security, the people have been awesome. I know that sounds like I'm tooting my own horn, but But seriously, I love the people in this industry. Whether they're helping you understand a new concept or just keeping you motivated by boosting your morale. Security people are some of the best I've ever worked with. Shout out to my current employees. Go team. Number 1, I know you're waiting for this part, the topic of money. Yes, money is number 1. Sure, it's great to gain knowledge and work with awesome people and have job security and all the stuff that comes with that. But all that doesn't matter if you can only afford to live in a van down by the river.
And living in a van down by the river.
So even at an entry-level job, you'll do so well that you'll no longer qualify for the government stimulus check. Yes, you heard me right. You're going to make a good amount of money there. After a year or two, if you buckle down and apply yourself, you can expect to make 6 figures very easily. And after a hack that makes national news, such as the pipeline, you can expect even more. Thank you, Pipeline and Microsoft hack recently. On top of your day job, security has a bunch of bug bounty programs. These are companies that pay good money for people to come in and test their sites. Some of these bounties can end up paying in the tens of thousands of dollars. These companies include Facebook, TikTok, Microsoft, almost any company you use, Sony for your TVs, Canon for the cameras. All these companies are on websites like HackerOne, for example, link will be in the description. And they are willing to pay people to come in and test their sites. So not only can you get paid with your day job, your skills are going to translate to a great side hustle. So let's recap. You'll learn a ton, see the world in a new way, have job security, work with awesome people, and make a pretty decent amount of scratch from your day job or on the side. If you're watching this thinking, whoa, that sounds too good to be true, then keep tuning into our show because coming up, we're going to help you get started in cybersecurity and put you on the path to an exciting new career. If you're happy with your career, retired, or already a billionaire, watch us anyway. Never hurts to learn. Plus, with the security nights, you'll be entertained. That's our show for today. Please remember to like, subscribe, so our army can grow. Until next time, happy hacking.